This is JetFighter19, and make sure to subscribe to Awesome Pro. He's gonna tell you his name later because he's gonna change his name. And will we be flying this plane? And let's see if we can get a good shot. Ready, set, go. That was a pretty solid flight. I don't know if you guys saw that very well. That kind of sucked. But let's try it again.
Dude, the wind's going now.
Ready, set, go. Okay, that flight sucked. Okay, Xavier.
No, dude, at least it landed. At least it landed.
Okay, Xavier, I'm gonna try to throw it here. Take the camera. Take the camera. Alright. Yep.
Ready, set, go. Okay.
Dude, that's too fast, dude.
That was a fail.
That was too fast. People saw that.
Did you say fast? Okay.
I said fast. Oh, it hit the camera. It hit the camera. It hit the camera. Oh my gosh. I didn't even get to see that.
One more time. Oh, that's a pretty solid flight.
I didn't even get to see it. Dude, I have to scoot back. Wait, that's the problem. You have to scoot back.
Oh, yeah, but make sure you hit the plane.
Yeah, we got a lot of it.
Okay, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Get me some views and comments.
Yep.
And also, I want some likes. Bye, guys.